Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Linzer Tarts or Linzer Cookies. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started. First, in a medium bowl, add in the flour, almond flour, lemon zest, cinnamon, baking powder, and salt, and whisk them until they're combined, and set it aside for now. Then into a large bowl, add in the softened butter and sugar, and cream them with an electric mixer on medium speed for 30 seconds. Then add in the lemon juice, egg, and vanilla extract, and mix them in until they're combined. Add in the dry ingredients a little at a time, mixing by hands just until combined after each addition. Wrap the dough in plastic wrap, flatten it into a disc, and refrigerate it for at least an hour until it's well chilled and firm. When it's nearly ready, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Remove the chilled dough from the fridge. Lightly flour the work surface. Place the dough onto the floured surface. Lightly flour the top of the dough. And roll it out until it's about 1/4 inch thick, making sure there's enough flour underneath so it doesn't stick to the surface. This is quite a soft and sticky dough. Cut out 2 to 3 inch circles of dough. Keep dipping the cookie cutter into flour so it doesn't stick to the dough. And place the cutout circles of dough onto sheet pans. If the dough is sticking to the surface, then sprinkle some flour onto the surface next to the dough. And use a thin metal scraper or spatula to scrape the flour underneath the dough, and that will unstick it from the surface without damaging the shape. Gather up the scraps. Press them back together and form it into a disc. Try not to overwork it. Wrap it up and refrigerate it before rolling it out and making more cookies. If you like, you can cut out a smaller shape out from half of the circles. Feel free to use whatever shape you like. Keep dipping the cookie cutter into flour so it doesn't stick to the dough. And bake them in the oven for 8 to 12 minutes until the edges are lightly brown. Halfway through the baking time, rotate the pans and switch oven racks so they bake evenly. When they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool in the pan for 2 minutes. Then transfer them to a cooling rack and let them cool completely. Flip over all the cookies that don't have the cutout shape in the middle. And spread a little jam onto them. You can use any jam you like. Then place the cookies with the shape on top of them. Then finish them off with a dusting of powdered sugar. And that's how to make Linzer Tarts or Linzer Cookies. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.